Okay, for this one, we have 4x over 3 is greater than 8x minus 20. And the 3 is the thing most obviously in our way. So we're going to multiply by 3 on both sides. I apologize. That cancels out. We have to multiply everything by 3. We end up with just the 4x is greater than 24x minus 20. 24x minus 60. I have to say 20 times 3 and 8x times 3. Okay? And so then the 24x has to come off of both sides. This gives me a 20x. And it's a negative 20x. And the negative 60. I have to divide through by the negative 20 on both sides. The mere act of dividing through by the negative 20 makes your inequality sign flip. So I have x and a positive 3. X is less than a positive 3.